my channel. In this video I'm going to talk about borax. Why the borax is given in the females. Of course, when there is leukorrhea, I always think of borax. It also has so much of other remedies, means other diseases which we can really think of. Hot urine causes the child to scream with the pain while passing the urine. Stools will be very greenish and slimy, and always the patient nose will be like stuck. The nose means the nose is always blocked, and you can also see that there is so much of eyes with dark circles like that. Borax with leukorrhea is an wonder thing, because I always give creosotum and the borax if the lady is suffering with instant leukorrhea, which is really troubling her. Thank you.